If you've ever dropped the clutch, you're rivet. If you've ever smoked them up, you're a rivet. If your ties are white and your t-shirt's black, if your very first date was at the speedway track, it's time to face the fact you're a rivet. If you love Peter Brock, you're a rivet. If you've ever chucked a lap round the block, you're a rivet. If you got a spoiler and a set of mags, lost a few points, won a few drags, well, you ain't one of the dags, you're a rivet. GTS or XR8, XU1 or Chevrolet, music up, got the hammer down, the words all over town, you're a rivet. Alright, girls. If your man talks nothing but cars, he's a rivet. And for Christmas he wants spare parts, he's a rivet. So you want him to sweep you off your toes, a bubble bath and a long stem rose, but he buys you a radiator hose, he's a rivet. GTS or XR8, XU1 or Chevrolet, music's up, got the hammer down, the words all over town. You can settle down with kids and a wife, but when a Chevy pulls up by you at the lights, your foot goes down, your knuckles go white. You're an R-E-V-H-E. Or XR8, XU1 or Chevrolet, music up.